Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am here with my new video in which I'm going to tell you a new trick to play your mobile phone apps, your Android apps into your PC. There are 5 ways to run Android apps on your PC for free. Want to use Android apps on a PC? There are the apps, services and OCs that can make it happen. Some tinkering may be required. Okay, the first one is the mirror your phone with Windows. I wish you could run an Android app or game on your PC so you are not relegated to a tiny phone screen. Maybe you need to test a feature on Android but don't have an Android device handy. Your options will depend on what mobile device you own or what version of Windows you are running. But here are a few ways to run Android on your computer. Number one is the mirror your phone with Windows. Okay, here is the total method shared with you. How could you mirror your phone with Windows? Or app installed on your phone. You don't need anything fancy to get Android on your PC. Microsoft's Your Phone app allows you to connect your Android mobile device to Windows in order to access app, view notification and photos and send messages. You can even add Android apps to favorites or pin them directly to the Windows taskbar. If you want to mirror your phone screen directly, click the phone screen image in your phone desktop app. Grant permission to the app on your phone and your phone screen will be displayed in Windows. You can then navigate the phone screen with the click of mouse. This is not always the ideal solution. While the feature will work with many Android devices, it works best with Samsung phones. Some features require a window or 10 PCs running to the May 2020 update or later with at least 8 GB RAM and Android 11. If you are looking to play games, this may come with some delay and graphical blurriness, and you won't be able to easily share files from your PC directly to an app in Android, but it works in a pinch for quick access to Android apps you already have installed. Okay, the second one is the run your apps with BlueStacks. BlueStack is a software in which you could run your mobile phone in your PCs. If you are just looking to run a couple apps and don't need the emulator to look like Android, you should try BlueStacks. Over the years, it became the best Android app emulator around, making it a great solution for games and apps that don't have a corresponding desktop version. BlueStack 5, the latest version of the software, takes up 5 GB of space on your computer. Open the app and you will be greeted with the customized home screen and access to the Play Store. Download any apps you want and they will appear on the BlueStacks home screen and your Windows desktop as their own shortcuts. Just double click an icon to run the app in question. If you specifically want to play Android game on your computer, consider installing BlueStack instead. This version of the program is a cloud-based solution that allows you to stream games without the need of download them first. For this reason, there are no strong storage requirements with BlueStack X. The emulator features built-in mapping for your mouse and keyboard, which you can customize to the touch controls you find on different Android games. You can also adjust the resolution, DPI, FPS, and amount of CPU or RAM allocated to the emulator, ensuring you get the best balance between speed and graphical fidelity. Since BlueStacks uses visualization to emulate Android, you will want to jump into your computer's BIOS and if your computer supports it for the best performance. You may also be able to search for turn Windows feature on or off. Windows 10 does unfortunately comes with some ads and clutter, but it's not as obvious as it once was, and it's a small price to pay for the functionality you get, especially considering the Android version option it offers. Okay, guys, these tools are the ways you can. There are the two ways you can run your Android apps into your PC.